Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to trade stock on the Charles Schwab. So let's now guide you on how to trade stocks with Schwab. So you want to first of course log in or download the mobile app. If you have that version, then you can also try it there. So navigate to trade. So on the bottom menu, tap trade and select stocks and ETF or something similar from this step right here. Then enter stock details. So in the symbol field, you want to type the stock ticker, like for example for Apple, it is AAPL. Tag the ticker to view code, charts, and news. Now choose order type. Select buy or sell, enter the number of shares, and then pick your order type. So here are the order type right here that is listed. So the most common or popular is the market order. It is actually pretty standard for beginners. Now is saturation. Choose day or GTC or good till cancelled if you want. It's up to you, and then review and place order. So you want to finalize and review the order for double check and then place order, and then you'll see a confirmation screen once your trade is submitted. So now you can now track your trade and go to orders in the app to check status. Executed trades will appear in your position sector on your account. And that is all on how to trade stocks at Schwab.